They told you to pay taxes, rent and pension contributions, but nobody told you that you might be able to get your German pension money back when you leave the country. Yes, it's possible and completely legal. In this video, I'm breaking you everything you need to know about the German pension refund system, who qualifies, how to calculate your refund and how to apply. Welcome to Vanakkam Germany. I am Balaji and we make videos on all interesting topics and life in Germany. If you're ready, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Fundsback, the specialist since 2015 who have helped many expats get the pension refund after leaving Germany, hassle-free, fully online and completely in English. They have assisted thousands of people worldwide since the entire process is 100% digital. You no need to be in Germany, you only have to pay a fee when you get your refund. So that is a low risk. They even help if you lost your German documents, they will track down your contribution history for you. So why waiting? If you're one among them who wanted to claim your pension back, the link to apply is in the description below. Come, let's get started. Now let's jump into the video and start with the basics as we always do in Vanakkam Germany. What is a German pension refund? This is an important building block for retirement in Germany is the statutory pension insurance. All the employees and some groups of self-employed people are compulsorily insured by law. When you work in Germany, you and your employer contribute a combined 18.6% of your gross salary to the statutory pension insurance. This contribution is intended to provide your retirement pension. So this is basic. If you have worked and paid contributions in Germany for more than 60 months, you will receive a German pension after reaching the official German pensionable age. As of today, it is 67, but this would gradually increase to 69 by 2029. If you have worked in Germany for less than 5 years, let's say, and now live in either a contracting or a non-contracting country, you may qualify for a refund. The difference between the contracting and non-contracting country, I will explain you shortly. Important. Whatever the employee contributes to the system is refundable, but whatever the employer contributes to the system is not refundable. In Germany, the pension refund entitlement in Germany is governed by the German Social Security Code Socialgezetzbuch, paragraph 6. The key legal points include, according to the regulation EEC number 1408/71, article 10(2), it is not possible to claim when you are resident in Europe. So you must reside outside the European Union, Switzerland when you apply. You can claim a refund if you are no longer subjected to mandatory pension insurance contributions in Germany. You must not be eligible to make voluntary contributions to the German pension system from your current country of residence. 24 months, which is 2 years, must have passed since your last contribution to the German pension system. Who is eligible? The countries and residency eligibility depends primarily on your current country of residence and your nationality due to social security agreements Germany has with many nations. People who are not eligible, citizens and residents of the European Union, European Economic Area like Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, Switzerland and the United Kingdom, UK generally cannot claim a pension refund because they have the right to make voluntary contributions to continue building their German pension despite living abroad. Who are eligible? If you live outside the European Union, EEA, Switzerland and the UK and cannot make voluntary contributions to the German pension system from your country of residence, you can likely claim a refund. So examples of countries with social security agreements which are contracting states with Germany include many nations such as Albania, Australia, Brazil, Canada, including India and many more countries. The list of these countries I will display it over here. Have a look into it. Residents of these countries may be eligible for a refund if they meet the conditions like having contributed for less than 60 months and having their last contribution more than 24 months ago. Next, coming to non-contracting countries. If your country does not have a social security agreement with Germany, you cannot make a voluntary contributions and are generally eligible for a refund regardless of your nationality. So now, how to get your German pension refund? The step by step. The application process is straightforward, but gathering documentation while still in Germany makes it more easier. You will need to provide the form V0901 for English, certified copy of your passport and other supporting documents, driver's license, utility bill or any kind of bank statement. Melde Bescheinigung zur Sozialversicherung from your German employer for every year work. Next, Ausdruck der elektronischen Lohnsteuerbescheinigung for every working year, which is the certificate of total contributions, and copy of your Abmeldung, the final deregistration, if any other proof of insurance if applicable. Once the waiting period is over, then you should go to your German embassy to get the right paperwork and check any country specific requirements. Then send everything to the Deutsche Rentenversicherung office. Processing time can range from around 2 to 6 months, sometimes even longer, depending on the case to case. Now that you know that if you're eligible, let's talk about the refund process, which can be confusing and slow because all the paperwork is in German and you have to deal with German authorities. That's where Fundsback comes in. They are experts who help people like you to get your pension refund hassle-free, fully online and in English. How does this Fundsback work? Simple 3-step. First, free pension check. You fill out a quick online form to see if you are eligible. This check is completely free. Next step is personalized offer and calculation. Fundsback obtains your insurance history from the German Pension Office and tells you exactly how much you can get back. Third step, apply it online and get your refund. They handle all the paperwork and communication with German authorities for you, so you don't have to worry about complicated forms or language barriers. So let's make a real life example. Imagine I worked in Germany for 3 years and moved back to India in 2022. After waiting 2 years, I used a Fundsback free eligibility check. Fundsback confirmed I could get a refund of around 10,000 euros. They helped me to file everything online, handled all the paperwork, and within months, I received the money directly in my Indian bank account. Easy and stress-free. Other benefits of using Fundsback: they are given expert guidance in English, so no German paperwork stress, 100% digital process. You no need to be specifically in Germany. You only pay a success fee when you get your refund. Even help if you lost your documents. If you're ready to reclaim your hard-earned money, check the link in the description and start with Fundsback free eligibility check today. So, how many of you think you might be eligible? Drop yes in the comments if you want to check your own refund potential. Thank you for watching Vanakkam Germany, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with all your friends who worked in Germany and might get benefit. See you next time. Bye bye.